For all non-emergency police matters, please contact our dispatchers at 918.
I would like to report an infraction, I guess.
Okay.
There's a white pickup truck driving around Langley. If you're not already aware, I've attempted to become an ultra-marathon runner 2 times. I've trained for 2 different races, raced in 2 different races, and I failed at both of them. So the reason why I'm so hell-bent on becoming an ultra-marathon runner is it's one of those things that when you tell people you run 100-mile ultra-marathons, they look at you like you're absolutely crazy. And if I'm gonna do anything in life, you might as well go full crazy. And until you absolutely fail over and over and over again. So that's what I'm doing here on a beautiful Sunday. I'm running 10 miles. The view is absolutely just gorgeous.
Knew what she was doing.
Welcome to the daily vlog. Just got done running 10 miles and feeling swollen, very swollen. I haven't ran this much in a long time, but the great thing about running or training for an ultra marathon is one great thing, one absolutely amazing thing. You absolutely get to eat whatever you want because you're burning so many calories during the week and during the weekends. You just get to, you got to fuel your body. Now you want to fuel with great things, but also you can have a little junk food, which is exciting. But after lunch, we are going to go ahead and get to the second coat of the building and then kick things off. All we have to do is apply the second coat and then add the sign, finish the website, and then we will be really open for business, which is absolutely great.
Okay, I'll let my Langley officer know and they'll be on the lookout.
Okay, if he wants to stop by at 167 East Cherokee Avenue, we're going to be painting the building, so I'd love to meet him. Meet him or her or whoever it is.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day. Bye. Listen, I'm not a tattletale. Snitches get stitches, but in the grand scheme of things, we're trying to paint our building, and this truck has been nonstop for the last 4 days of driving like an absolute idiot around here. And it's, as a former deputy sheriff, this is something that needs to be, in my opinion, brought to the local police department's attention. I don't necessarily need them to do anything, just be aware of the issue and the problem, because the last thing that I'd ever want to happen is this idiot smacking a kid or a pedestrian because they're just driving like a complete dipshit. Make sure I hung up the phone, but it's just something we got to deal with. New town, new problems. But we're going to get some painting done, which I'm excited about. Like right now. The painting's going well. The second coat is way better. It is making one hell of a difference, and the coverage is absolutely amazing. Well, we're all done for the evening. It
Hey, I saw that cop
So as you saw, that was the truck that I called on earlier. So it's just one of those things that drives me absolutely nuts. It drives me crazy because this is a neighborhood that's got, you know, little kids in it. So am I gonna call the cops again? I don't know yet. Maybe, just maybe.